that I download this too. Well, it's for free in Utorrent because I downloaded it in Utorrent. She can't tap it because I'm holding my phone while I'm doing this. There we go. This is what Minecraft Story Mode does not work. I'm letting you see it. Continue. Guys, in that, don't even pause it. So it does set. Guys, here we are. This fails. So now Minecraft Story Mode does not work. So, oh.